Here we're going to look at interchanging number forms. It's important to remember that fractions, decimals, and percentages are just different ways of representing the same thing. So we can convert between them. Converting a fraction to a percentage, if you can, write the fraction with a denominator of 100. If it already has 100, as it has in earlier sections, like 3 over 100, then it should be clear that that's 3%. But some fractions are easily turned into that. So for example, if you had 7 over 50, we know that an equivalent fraction there would be 14 over 100, and therefore that would be 14%. If it's not easy to make the denominator 100, you can convert the fraction to a percentage just simply by multiplying by 100 and then simplifying the result. To convert a decimal to a percentage, you just multiply by 100. Convert a percentage to a fraction, write the percentage over 100, so effectively you're dividing by 100, which is the opposite of the timesing by 100 we did up here to go the other way, and then simplify. To convert a percentage to a decimal, you just simply divide the percentage by 100, which means, in effect, we're just going to move the decimal point. To convert a decimal to a fraction, one way you can do it is to write the decimal over 1. For example, if we had 0.24, write it as 0.24 over 1. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 10 for each number after the decimal point. So in this example, 0.24, we've got two numbers after the decimal point, so we could multiply by 100. In other words, 10 times 10. Another way of looking at it is the number of zeros is the number of a number of digits after the decimal point there. And then just simplify as necessary. So we're going to look at those in a couple of examples to follow.